True and false in Python. I tried running this piece of code, and it prints false. I thought Python treats anything with value as true. Why is this happening?
From 6.11. Boolean operations. In the context of Boolean operations, and also when expressions are used by control flow statements, the following values are interpreted as false, false, none, numeric 0 of all types, and empty strings and containers, including strings, tuples, lists, dictionaries, sets and frozen sets. All other values are interpreted as true. The key phrasing here that I think you are misunderstanding is interpreted as false or interpreted as true. This does not mean that any of those values are identical to true or false, or even equal to true or false. The expression /blah/blah/blah will be treated as true where a Boolean expression is expected, like in an if statement, but the expressions /blah/blah/blah is true, and /blah/blah/blah equals true will evaluate to false for the reasons in Ignacio's answer.
Is compares identity. A string will never be identical to a not string. Equals is equality. But a string will never be equal to either true or false. You want neither.
While the other posters addressed why is true, does what it does, I wanted to respond to this part of your post. I thought Python treats anything with value as true. Why is this happening? Coming from Java, I got tripped up by this, too. Python does not treat anything with a value as true. Witness. This will print nothing because 0 is treated as false. In fact, 0 of any numeric type evaluates to false. They also made decimal work the way you'd expect. Here are the other value which evaluate to false. Sources. Python truth value testing is awesome. Truth value testing, in built-in types.
Do you want to see more? Like,